In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates to cards in Trello. Whether you're managing a team project, organizing your personal to-do list, or simply trying to stay on top of deadlines, adding due dates to your Trello cards is a simple way to keep everything on track. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting and customizing due dates for your tasks so you can manage your workflow with ease. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. From here, you can sign in by entering the email address associated with your Trello account, or you can choose one of the alternative sign-in options, like using your Google or Microsoft account. If you're logging in with your email, type in your password and click Login to proceed. Once you're logged into your Trello account, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a collection of boards. Click on the board where the task you want to update is located. Boards in Trello are divided into lists, and within those lists are individual cards. These cards represent your tasks. Locate the list that contains the specific card you want to update, and click on the card to open its details panel. Now that you have the card open, take a look just below the card title. You'll find an area with various card features. Here, click on the plus icon to reveal additional options. From this menu, select Dates. This will open the date editor for the card. Next, if you'd like to set a start date to indicate when work on this task should begin, you can do that here. This step is optional, so you can skip it if a start date isn't necessary. Now, let's set the due date. Click on the calendar icon or the date field and choose the specific calendar date when the task is due. If the timing of the task is important, you can also select a specific time for the deadline. If you're working across different time zones or collaborating with a global team, it's a good idea to check your time zone settings in your Trello profile. Adjusting this ensures that the due date and time are accurate for everyone involved. For tasks that repeat on a regular schedule, Trello may offer the option to set the due date as recurring. If this option is available, you can configure it to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or on a custom schedule. If the task only needs to happen once, simply leave the recurrence setting as never. To help you stay on top of the deadline, set a reminder for the task. For example, you could choose to be reminded one day before the due date, or adjust the timing based on how urgent the task is. You can customize this reminder to fit your needs. If you want to ensure you receive personal notifications for this task, consider adding yourself as a watcher. This way, Trello will notify you about any updates or changes to the card. Once you've finished setting the due date, time, and any additional options like reminders or recurrence, click Save to finalize your changes. The due date you've set will now appear on the card, and Trello will highlight it to make it easy to track. If you ever need to make changes to the due date or any of the settings, simply reopen the Dates option on the card and update the details as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a due date to your Trello card, making it even easier to stay organized and meet your deadlines. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.